get you out of here on time. So the questions that you were posed were, what do we do really well, right? And what do we not do so well right now, but we will do really, really well moving forward, thinking about ways of being, actions and behaviors amongst this community, the tourism industry in Nuuk, right? So does anyone want to start off by sharing what we do, or what you do, really, really well right now? Yeah.
We found 3 things that we all agreed on. We feel that what we do right now really well is that we promote this sort of feel, which is, the acceptance of the fact that sometimes there are things that we cannot control, like the elements, and that sort of relieves stress and is a part of our culture.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one thing that we do very well. I also think that we are very acceptive of diversity here. In general, we're very positive and welcoming people, I feel. We talked about how none of us, no we didn't. I thought about it. That was my sorry. Echo brain. But we talked about how, I thought about how, I don't know anyone who isn't willing to help a person who looks like they're in need of something. Like
we talked about it.
We talked about it. Yes, we did. Like even if they have like language barriers, they will still go. Like if you can see a tourist looking lost, they will still go up and be like, "Can I help you?"
Sure.
And then just like sort of point in the right directions and stuff like that. And I think that's a very great quality for us.
We found that, and I found that, just walking around town looking lost, because I usually am lost. Well, I'm getting used to the area, and I feel I know it better, but people are very, very helpful, very genuine, sharing, so that's awesome.